this video, I'll show you how to make money using Trust Wallet, not just as a crypto storage tool, but as a way to earn passive income. First, download the Trust Wallet app and set it up. Once you have some crypto like BNB, ETH, or stablecoins, you can start earning in a few different ways. One way is through staking. Go to the Earnings section in the app, choose a supported coin, and stake your funds. You'll earn rewards over time just by holding and locking your coins. You can also participate in DeFi apps by connecting Trust Wallet to platforms like PancakeSwap or ApeSwap. Provide liquidity or yield farm to boost your returns. Just be sure to research first. Another option is buying low-cap coins early on new projects. But remember, that comes with risk. Always keep your wallet secure and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more crypto tips and ways to earn with Trust Wallet.